Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, today was, kind of a really weird day to tell you the truth. I think somebody in our chat room, Joe, I think it was, said it best. He said, I think we found the bottom. And yeah, maybe we did. We had CPI come out this morning, and it was just a little bit hotter than expected, about a tenth of percent, both on the regular CPI and the core. And that sent the markets down in a tizzy. As you can see, the candle for today, we made a low of $348.11, which we would have to go back a lot more than a year to see a price like that. But then somehow or another, mysteriously, the market ended up a lot higher, really, really strong, up 2.6% on the day. And I'm not seeing any news on it. But that said, good lesson there. You've got to trade what you see. We can try and figure out the market all day long, but the market can often be irrational. And there's many great economists and or traders who will tell you that exact same thing. So we trade what we see, and sometimes when we have surprises, we shouldn't be surprised because it's not surprising that we get surprises. Now, that said, there were some notable, interesting things here. Amazon was one of the stocks that just had a really tough time making it out of the doldrums today. Some of the sectors, like utilities, that were really kind of flushed down the toilet. I talked about that yesterday. XLU here, and let's just take a look at that chart on the day. XLU, that opened lower, but then it made a pretty good move up higher. It didn't quite cover yesterday. We didn't end up with an outside day, but it was a fairly strong candle. So what do we have next? So look, we talked about that yesterday. All eyes are going to be on earnings. Earnings already sort of officially kicked off, with at least with a whimper. Next week, there will be a few more earnings, but then the week after that, there's going to be a bunch of earnings. So we're going to keep watching that. We're going to keep trading what we see. And hey, this is Dan Passarelli. I hope that helps. Trade smart.